How did you put the brain on your nose? Wouldn't be bogies on the brain. Hello, and we're at the Great North Museum. This is Tigerton Wildville, and we're going to give you a tour of this place. I got this. It's a real gem. Look in the shop. See it, real gem. Yeah. I got this. Lapis. In Minecraft enchant stuff more. Okay, so let's go. First, I've got a giant turtle. A giant turtle. So this is a great white shark, and Goofy was never here. Goofy was here, no he wasn't. He was. Where? Oh, somebody was here, but now he's gone. Something's definitely happened to its arm. No, seriously, that arm was not like that when I last came here. A fact about this.
What is it, Thomas?
Japanese spider crab, and its skeleton is on the outside. That's why it looks really bony.
Do you know what that's called, Thomas? And your skeleton's on the outside.
No.
Exoskeleton.
So, as we walk into the room, I'm careful again. That's a funny shape. That's the old thing.
Legionary.
Now look at everything whilst I slowly walk over to the next bit. Just do everything whilst I slowly. Hadrian's, it says building wall, and this is Hadrian's wall. I call it the Roman wall, or people call it Hadrian's wall. And look at that, it comes to there, so you would put the wheat in here. Unfortunately, it doesn't mess with us, so you can't put it. And you grab the towel and turn the stone round, and you see it's on a different stone layer. There's two layers, and then there's a small hole here, and the pressure would build up on the wheat, and then once it's small enough to fit through these gaps, it'll come out as flour. And it was very annoying because it made a loud sound like this. This is what the house is, will look like a wall. So that's the wall there, the way out snap. The Romans' weapons and armory would be on the top tier, whilst the rest of the ancient soldiers would be down there getting healed. Yeah, and it's a little house along the wall. That bit's the wall and that's inside the house. You see the roof's a little bit here. It's like bad houses. We're heading to the dinosaur bit. Yep. You might be looking, but that's actually fake. It's a fake replica of a T-Rex. A T-Rex. Not a sponsor. It's sponsor. The Tyrannosaurus Rex, one of the largest carnivores of all time and the most famous. It's a T-Rex skeleton, and it was cast from one of the most complete T-Rex skeletons ever found. Like many fossils of the dinosaurs, there's diamonds and gems. I got a gem right here, it's a diamond or something. That's an emerald, jewels. What was this?
Quartz, William.
That one's like this is an ordinary rock where it's been slipped together and has diamonds. And we've got all of the animals here, different types of animals. Desert animals up there, Antarctica animals up here. There's rainforest animals, Mediterranean. And the ancient Egyptians part. And it's been a minute. And we're going to unveil this. And if a known fact, if one brick were removing from a pyramid, if you remove one brick, then there's another set of bricks which are like these. And if you remove that, then the whole pyramid could collapse. And that is scientifically proved. So these on the journey. Where's my journey? Now we're going to take a journey through the
You are to hear this, the deep sound of Hadrian's cave. Beware, everything is not as it seems. The gods are tested. Have you passed through the pit of snakes? When your heart is found lighted of faith, you will pass into the water, to the field of weeds. If you remember that love, your heart weighs heavier than faith. If you are thrown into a root, the devourer, your remains will burn.
So we've just took a journey through the afterlife. Don't look. This once was
It looks a bit like our grandma.
This once was the real lady in real Egyptian. So then they wrapped it up and put the wrappings off. They put it in the thing, put it in the coffin, and I think they put that over it or that. Or that or that over it.
So let's take a look at this weird thing.
I have got that my Egyptian Playmobil set. And I'm going to use
So these are disgusting. They're made out of iron and bronze, and they would stuff it up your nose, and
When you were
they would
dead?
hook it. Yeah, when you were dead, it would be horrible if you were still alive. They would hook it onto your brain and pull the brains out from your nose,
I don't know
which
how they
is
did
disgusting.
that. How did they do that? How did they pull the brain out of your nose? Wouldn't be bogies.
A replica. They are called canopic jars
I
that they would
have-
stuff. They would rip out their organs and stuff them into canopic jars.
I have canopic jars in my Playmobil Egyptian set.
Which is a pyramid.
Yep.
So this is what a sarcophagus would look like in ancient Egypt. So the body would be in there, and that, including that stone pillar underneath, would be in that stone thing.
That's wood.
So this is an inner coffin of a mummy. She was called Becket and Hall, and lived sometime between 1070 to 730 BC in the Thebes. And when they found her, there was a stab in her stomach, so we predicted that she was stabbed, and that's how she died.
I like the paintings, but they're not coloured in that colour. They're not coloured in they're coloured in quite bad. You might think they're good, I think they're bad.
So this is a statue of Ramesses II, one of the most famous and most powerful pharaohs. And there's a really, really big statue of him in the British Museum. So if you are planning on going to London, maybe you should check that out, because I've been there and I've seen it. And this, I don't know if it's a replica.
No, it's real.
It's real. And Ramesses II is probably the most powerful pharaoh that ever lived.
wrote a poem out, Ramesses?
Ramesses.
Who wrote a poem out him?
I believe it was Shelley wrote a poem called Ozymandias.
Have you ever saw him?
It was when the statue arrived in the British Museum.
Yeah. Thank you for watching our video of the Great North Museum, and give us a wild like and a tiger subscribe and a like for the world. Okay, the thumbs up, and make sure you
subscribe.
and the like and the thumbs up. Like and thumbs up. Right as well as signing out.